Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
So my dear students, welcome back in the JPS Math Magics. So today I am going to start exercise second day. So I will solve some problems of exercise second day. So student, first problem, compare the fractions. Students, I have already discussed compare the fraction in the previous video. So students, I will solve 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 12. So students, we will compare which is greater, 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 12. So students, by the cross multiplication method. So students, if you multiply 5 into 12, 5 into 12, so you will find 5 into 12, 60, and 8 into 7, so 56. So student, which is greater? 60 is greater. It is the very simple method. Multiply 12 and 5, so you will find 60, and multiply 7 into 8, so you will find 56. So multiplication of 12 and 5. So students, you can write in this left hand side, and the multiplication of 8 into 7 right in the right side. So 60 is greater than 56. So students, 5 upon 8 is greater than 7 upon 12. So ये स्टूडेंट्स इसका आंसर हो गया. अब सेकंड, मल्टीप्लाई 5 इंटू 15 स्टूडेंट्स, 5 इंटू 15 एंड 11 इंटू 9. So 75 is 75 and 99. So students, 75 is less than 99. So we can write 5 upon 9 is less than 11 upon 15. It is the answer. So students, we are comparing fractions. Similarly students, in third, 11 into 16, 16 into 11. So you will find 11, 6 is 60, तो ये आ जाएगा 176. एंड 12 इंटू 15, सो आ जाएगा 180. सो अब स्टूडेंट्स, 180 इज ग्रेटर देन 176, और 176 इज लेस देन 180. So 11 upon 12 is less than 15 upon 16. It is the answer. So by this method you can compare the fractions, students. Now in question number second, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. So students, to write the fractions in ascending order, first we take a LCM of 4, 6, 9 and 12. So students, you can take, when you will take the LCM of 4, 6, 9 and 12, then you will find LCM of 4, 6, 9 and 12. So students, LCM of these numbers is 36. Students, you can calculate itself. Okay, so LCM of 4, 6, 9 and 12 is 36. So students, 36 is divided by 4. So you will find 9. So here 3 into 9. Similarly, 36 divided by 6, you will find 6. So 5 multiply by 6. Similarly 7 multiply by 4 or 11 multiply by 3. So 27, 30, 28 and 33. So you will find 27 upon 36, 30 upon 36, 28 upon 36 and 33 upon 36. So students, arrange them. अब now arrange them in ascending order. So student, which is larger? 33 upon 36, यानी 11 upon 12 is the larger. So ascending order is 11 upon 12, यानी larger to smaller students लिखना है. So 11 upon 12 and now 5 upon 6 and now 7 upon 9 and 3 upon 4. So students, it is the, and students you can solve second. ठीक है students, do itself इसको. अब स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस इन ascending order. Students, it is not ascending order but it is a descending order. Students, sorry students. So first ascending order is 3 upon 4 and then 7 upon 9 and then 5 upon 6 and then 11 upon 12. यानी स्टूडेंट्स छोटे से बड़े में हमें जाना है. अब नाउ स्टूडेंट्स अरेंज द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट वी विल take the LCM of 4, 8, 12 and 24. So students, their LCM is 48. क्योंकि all the numbers यानी 48 is divisible by 4, 8, 12 and 24. So students, their LCM is 48. इसका LCM कितना होगा स्टूडेंट? 48. If you have any problem, you can find LCM. So divided by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 6, 12. Again divided by 2, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Again divided by 2, 1, 1, 3 and 3 and 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8 और 3 is 24. So students, LCM is 24. So LCM is students 24. क्योंकि 24 is divided by 12, 8 and 4. So students, LCM is equal to 24. So now we will solve. So 3 upon 4 into multiply by 6. 7 upon 8 multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator. 7 upon 12 into multiply by 2. 17 upon 24. So here is 24. So ये हो जाएगा 18 upon 24, 21 upon 24 और 14 upon 24 and 17 upon 24. So students, descending order is, so students 21 is greater. So 21, it means 7 by 8. Now 18, 3 by 4 and then 17. So 17 upon 24 and then 14, 7 upon 12. So students, it is the answer of this question. अब student question number 4. Renu got 2/7 part of an apple while Sonal got 4/4 part of it. Who got the larger part and by how much? So students, Renu part is 2/7 and Sonal part is equal to 4/5. So student, by cross multiplication method 2 into 5 or here 4 into 7. So 10, 28. So 10 is smaller than 28. So students, any 4/5 is greater than 2/7. Now student, how much? So we can subtract 2/7 from 4/5. So now students, LCM is 35. So 28 minus 10. So 18/35. So students, Sonal part is greater. Sonal part is greater. Or how much? So student, 18/35. Now find the sum. So students, sum. So you can find easily taking the LCM. Here students, denominator is same. So answer is 5 plus 3, 8/9. Now students, here you can take LCM or same the denominator and solve them. And students, I will solve question number 4. So students, in question number 4, 7/12, 11/16 and 9/24. So students, their LCM is yani 12, 16 and 24. So students, their LCM is 48. 2 divided 6, 8, 12. Now divided by 2, 3, 4, 6 and divided by 2, 3, 2, 6 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2. So 3, 3, now 3. So 2. So student, 48. LCM is 48 student. So now it divide. So students, 7 into 4. So students, if we divide 48 by 12, you will find 4. So we multiply by 4 into 7 plus 11 into 3 plus 9 into 2. So students, you will find 28 plus 33 plus 18/48. So students, now add them. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 19, 9, carry 1, 2, 3 to 5 or 2, 7, 79/48. Okay students, so it is the answer. Similarly students, solve this problem. So students, here is LCM, yani first students, we will convert mixed fraction into a fraction. So 5 3 ja 15 plus 4. So students, 19/5 plus 20, 23/10 plus 16/15. So now students, LCM is 30. So 30 is divided by all the numbers 5, 10 and 15. So students, 19 into 6 plus 23 इंटू 3 प्लस 16 इंटू 2। सो स्टूडेंट देखिए इसमें 5 से पहले डिवाइड करेंगे 30 को, हमें 6 मिलेगा। फिर जितना हमें मिलता है उसका इधर जो न्यूमरेटर में नंबर लिख रहा था उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देते, तो इसी तरीके से इनको हम सॉल्व कर देते। अब स्टूडेंट्स ये आ जाएगा ठीक है, 19 6 जा 114, सो 114 और 23 इंटू 3 69 प्लस 32 स्टूडेंट्स। अब स्टूडेंट्स नाउ एड देम, 9 4 13 2, सो ये आ जाएगा 5, कैरी आएगी 1, 3 1 4, 10 11 की 1, तो ये आ जाएगा 2 1 15 अपॉन 30। अब स्टूडेंट्स ये आपका डिवाइड होगा 5 से, 5 6 जा 30, 4 3, तो स्टूडेंट ये आएगा 43 अपॉन 6 इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। सो इस तरीके से स्टूडेंट ये क्वेश्चन आपको करना था। प्लीज़ स्टूडेंट्स सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल।